So today we are doing some work with our Sunmar XL-NE composting toilet. Doing some work to get this guy installed. So here we have the unit. Showed this to you guys in an earlier video. The guys at Sunmar have been amazing helping us out with this unit, and we are super excited to get this installed and working. So we pulled this out of the box. And the unit itself is this white piece in the bottom, and we attached the vent pipe. So there's a coupling right there that attaches to the unit, and then vent pipe that goes up to the roof, or will. We have several pieces that we can work with to connect it. So right now we're trying to figure out how to measure exactly where we want the hole through the roof. So yeah, we're going to figure out where that is, cut a hole in the roof to get the vent pipe to go up, and then we also need to cut a drain pipe in the ground to serve as kind of a safety drain for any excess liquid.
We're currently about to drill a drain hole for the self-composting Sunmar toilet. And if you look on the back of the toilet here, this is going to be flush with the back wall. This will be a drainage pipe for, worst case scenarios. Probably will never need it, but we put together this soft tubing which came with the Sunmar toilet, and we're going to mount the tube onto the drain pipe, and we will be drilling a hole through the camper floor and 2 layers of insulation and the hardwood flooring and plywood to get to the outside. So it's like 8 inches away, so we got extra long drill bit.
Yep, and we didn't want anything to happen to our hardwood floor. It'll probably be fine, but just in case, some blue tape to prevent any splitting from happening. So this is the paddle drill bit that we are going to work with. Try to make a perfect circle. That's exactly the dimensions of our tubing. So we will see how this works out.
I think we made it to the insulation.
Hey!
That went way better than I thought it would.
Me too. What? Yeah, so this is gonna go into some sort of approved drainage pit. We might put a bucket underneath here. I'll most likely put a bucket underneath to just catch any drips. Or if we're stationary, we can kind of dig a little pit, like a French drain, and have this just go directly into a lined pit in the ground. Pretty sweet! Yeah! And from up here, the blue tape worked flawlessly, or the whole combination. No splitting or anything on the wood. Looks beautiful. And there is our drainage hole. So we're currently adding some thread tape to, we bought a 90-degree coupler. I think ideally we would have this drain kind of going angled into the ground because you don't really want any spots for liquid to pool. But given our very tight quarters, we don't really have an option. So we have a pretty short length of pipe that will be horizontal, flush with the ground, and then this 90-degree coupler that will do kind of a 90-degree turn and go into the drainage spot. So we're putting on some thread tape in order to make a tighter seal when we screw on the flexible tubing, which Rita's doing right now. So yeah, this is going to be our final piece of the drain pipe, and
then we drill in the roof.
Yeah.
Here is the next step in the toilet integration process. Just drilling a hole, and then we're going to use a little compass bit
on the Dremel.
On the Dremel, yeah, to make a 4-inch hole. So here we go. That was hard.
did it! Check it out! We have our toilet, vent pipe, and our hole going up to the roof. We're gonna have to definitely caulk around this a little bit, but pretty perfect fit. And this vent pipe looks amazing. And we have the, I don't know if you can see it, maybe not. The drain pipe is back there. So this setup is now totally ready to go. We're probably gonna take the unit back out of here for now, just so that we can put in the walls without having the toilet there. But Reed enjoying the first pre-moment on the toilet. Pretty sweet. We are super psyched. I'm just ready to have this thing going. Again, a huge shout out to the team at Sunmar for supporting us on this project. We are so psyched to be working with them. They've been amazing so far, and we can't wait to get this unit working, and we will let you know how that goes.